Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list of options we have to find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize the sound section and tap on phone ringtone. You can choose for which SIM card you want to change the ringtone, which is a quite cool option, so you can divide both SIM cards and identify thanks to the ringtone. Let me show you how to do it for the first one. After tapping on this option, we will be transferred to this list of pre-installed options from which we can choose. So we've got quite a lot of ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, here we've got this plus icon, which means that if you've got anything, for example, downloaded or recorded, it will appear right here or in any other folders or files. You will be able to find it and then set it as a ringtone. But let me go back to those general and default options, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. So for example this one, let me maybe volume it down a little bit, and basically this is how it works. So just tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want to set the Cyberpunk as my ringtone. So make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.